Hello friends, welcome to Easy English Bookshelf. Today we will be reading the advanced version of the book. Read along to enhance your skills while speaking at regular speed.
Once upon a time, in a cozy little mouse house, nestled under a big oak tree, lived a little blue mouse named Belinda Blue. Belinda was a vibrant and fun little mouse who loved doing different activities every week. You never knew what Belinda would be up to. On Monday, Belinda woke up bright and early, full of energy and excitement. Zooming past her mother asked, "What are you doing today, Belinda Blue?" "Today is a perfect day for coloring," Belinda declared, scampering over to her little table, where she kept her coloring books and crayons. She grabbed her favorite coloring book and spent the morning coloring pictures of flowers and butterflies. Belinda loved using all the bright colors, especially the blues.
On Tuesday, when on the phone with her best friend, Ella the hedgehog, Ella asked, "What are you doing today, Belinda Blue?" "Today is shopping day," Belinda told Ella excitedly. She put on her favorite pink bow and set off for the nearby meadow market with her mother. They bought fresh fruits and vegetables, a new ribbon for her hair, and a tiny red umbrella with white polka dots for those rainy days. She loved watching the other animals out and about at the market. Everyone smiled and greeted one another, enjoying the day. Wednesday was a particularly hot day. Belinda laid on the couch, letting the standing fan cool her down. "What are you going to do today, Belinda Blue?" Belinda thought to herself. Since it was so hot, she did not feel like doing much. Then a most delightful idea popped into her head: to beat the heat. Belinda decided it was time for a special treat. She hopped over to the ice cream parlor and ordered 2 scoops of blueberry ice cream on a waffle cone, her absolute favorite, as she held the cone full of delectable blueberry ice cream. Her eyes sparkled with anticipation. The cold treat made her whiskers twitch, and she savored every lick. Thursday brought rain, but Belinda was not deterred. She put on her red rain boots and grabbed her new tiny red umbrella with white polka dots, ready to play in the rain. Pitter-patter went the raindrops as Belinda danced and twirled with her umbrella. The rain was a nice relief from the previous day's scorcher. Returning home from work, Mr. Slug, her neighbor, noticed Belinda in her whirl of puddles. "What are you doing today, Belinda Blue?" he called out to the little mouse, splashing in the puddles like a water sprite. Belinda cheerfully called back, laughing and continuing to twirl and jump in the rain. Mr. Slug smiled, remembering the good old days, enjoying the world without a care. By Friday, Belinda's imagination was in full swing. She transformed the living room into a grand stage and pretended she was a world-famous magician, donning a sparkly cape, a starry hat, and a magical wand. She gathered her mom and dad. "What are you doing today, Belinda Blue?" her father asked. "Sit down and be amazed at the fantastical, amazing Belinda Blue magician extraordinaire," Belinda shouted. She performed dazzling tricks for her parents. "Abracadabra," she would exclaim, making flowers bloom and tiny stars twinkle. The weekend arrived, and Belinda spent it with her family, sharing stories of her exciting week. They laughed and played games, grateful for their cozy home and each other's company. As the sun set on Sunday evening, Belinda curled up in her bed, feeling happy and content. She thought about all the fun she had during the week. What am I going to do tomorrow, she thought. Thanks for reading along with us today. We hope you enjoyed the book. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more magical stories. See you tomorrow!